Hi, and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. I absolutely love granola, but most times I find store-bought one disappointing. It often contains wacky or unhealthy ingredients like palm oil. Plus, good quality granola can be super expensive. The good news is that healthy granola is incredibly quick to make. So without further ado, let me show you how to make the best homemade granola. In a bowl, add 4 cups of rolled oats. Then add any other dry ingredients that you wish to include in the granola. I'm going to add a mixture of nuts. Some flaked almonds, crushed cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, and also some ground almonds. I like to include ground almonds in my granola because they add an extra bit of nuttiness to every bite. You go crazy and add whatever dry ingredients you fancy adding. For example, you can add pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, or pecans. Then add salt and cinnamon and mix them into the oats. The cinnamon adds so much flavor and yumminess to your granola. When you bake it, your whole house will smell of it. And as always, you can find all the quantities in the description box below. Time to add our wet ingredients, which will be just oil and honey. Use whatever type of oil you prefer. I like to use olive oil because it's healthy, and I'm Italian. And now for the honey. If you want to use bee honey, then choose a runny honey and the granola will be delicious. But here comes my secret. I highly recommend using date honey if you can get your hands on some. Not only is it healthy and vegan, but it will elevate your granola to a whole new level of scrumptiousness. If you don't know where to find date honey, I'll drop a link in the description box below. And that is it. Mix everything well so that each bit of granola is well coated in oil and honey. Then spread it all on the baking tray and pop it in the oven at 160 Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix the granola so that it bakes evenly and pop it back for another 10 minutes till golden to light brown. When it comes out of the oven, let it cool completely before taking it out of the tray. This will take an hour or so. I know it's cruel and it is really hard to resist the temptation, but the granola will not be crunchy unless it cools completely, so be patient. Once the granola has cooled down, remove it from your baking trays and store it in an airtight jar for up to a few weeks. But in our house, it doesn't last that long. And there you have it, homemade, crunchy and delicious granola. Oats are very nutritious, so granola is a great way to start your day. Have granola for breakfast with some fruit and yogurt. Oh, and of course, some date honey. But you can also snack on granola or use it to top your apple crumble or ice cream for dessert. What is your favorite way of eating granola? Let me know in the comments below. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And as always, thanks for watching.